202?
202 to 204.
I see. Hazur Abdur Rahman Sahib's question is based on verse number 202 to verse number 204 of Surah Al Araf, which is chapter number 7 of the Holy Quran. A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Bismillahir rahmanir rahim. Innal ladzina ittaqaw idza massahum ta'ifun minash shaitani tazakkaru fa idza hum mubsirun wa ikhwanuhum yamuddunahum fil ghayyi summa la yuqsirun wa idza lam ta'tihim bi ayatin qalu law lajtabaitaha qul innama attabi'u ma yuha ilayya min rabbi hadha basairu min rabbikum wa khudam wa rahmatul liqaumin yu'minun. The translation is, as to those who are righteous, when a suggestion from Satan assails them, they remember God, and behold, they begin to see things rightly. And their brethren make them continue in error, and then they relax not. And when thou bringest not to them a sign, they say, wherefore dost thou not forge it? Say, I follow only that which is revealed to me from my Lord. These are evidences from your Lord, and guidance and mercy for a people that believe.
Now the question.
Huzur, my question is about the middle verse 203. It is connection with the preceding and the following one.
He says that what is the connection of the middle verse with the preceding verse and the following verse?
So,
If I
remind me again.
Yes, sir. The preceding verses, Innal lazina ittaqaw idza massahum ta'ifun minash shaitani tazakkaru fa idza hum mubsirun wa ikhwanuhum yamuddunahum fil ghayyi summa la yuqsirun wa idza lam Yes.
Ikhwanuhum is the key word in this. Although the believers, when the Satan interferes with their thought, and they're touched by the Satan, then they remember Allah, and that effect of the Satan is removed. This is followed by the persistence of the Satan's brothers that may apply, in fact, to human beings. If they are saved from their insinuations once by remembering God, they don't leave their back alone. They continuously try to pressurize him from right and left and from all sides. And sometimes they are successful in dragging them into their party. This is the connection between the first verse and the second verse. And the third one?
The third one is, وَإِذَا لَمْ تَأْتِهِمْ بِآيَةٍ قَالُوا لَوْ لَاجْتَبَيْتَهَا قُلْ إِنَّمَا أَتَّبِعُ مَا يُوحَى إِلَيَّ مِنْ رَبِّي هَذَا بَصَائِرُ مِنْ رَبِّكُمْ وَهُدًى وَرَحْمَةٌ لِقَوْمٍ يُؤْمِنُونَ.
As a result of this, when they sow seeds of doubt in their hearts, they begin to doubt the prophecy of the revelation of the Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam. So they all together then ask him, why don't you show us a true revelation from God? If not, if you don't receive any fresh one, why don't you make it from yourself? It is a type of taunt. That like you make revelations from yourself, you can, when there is some break in that period of revelation, if there is any break, longer break in the revelations, why don't you forge one from yourself? So the reply of Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam, which is told to him by God, is that I never forge any revelation on my own. Whatever Allah tells me, I say, And in the end,
إنما أتبع ما يوحى إلي من ربي.
I'm only following that which Allah reveals to me.
هذا بصائر من ربكم وهدى ورحمة لقوم يؤمنون.
They're only basair. They are, basair should be translated as what in English?
These are evidence, but I think revised translation.
Yes.
7.
Basair are in fact
these are
signs which are.
These are illuminating signs
Yes, that's right.
from your Lord and a
That's right,
guidance
Lord.
and blessing.
Signs which illuminate. So these are illuminating signs from God, but only for those who are true, honest, who are virtuous, who fear of Allah, and the rest remain blind. Now you understand the connections between the first, second and the third verse? Good.